In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2021 Nissan Versa SR. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake. Otherwise, the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted the car properly, the very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Before we jump into the takeout process, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, like, press the bell icon. We really work hard to make these DIY videos and your subscription will be really appreciated. Now let's jump into the process. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we'll take out the first screw from the very edge of the underneath side. Then we will take out another screw which is a little ahead. Same way we will take out the third screw. Then using door upholstery remover, we'll take out two clips which are right besides each other. Two 10mm screws in the middle that also needs to be taken out. I'm using an impact gun with 10mm nut setter to take them out, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. Once screws are out, again take out two similar clips which are right besides each other. And again, remaining three screws, we'll take them out using a Phillips screwdriver. We are done with the bottom side. Now we will jump onto the corners. Slightly pull the fender liner from the edge to make some room. There you would notice a 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. Once screw is out, now we slightly pull the bumper from the edge. The same we do on the other side, pull the fender liner to make some space. Take out that one 10mm screw from the edge. And then slightly pull the bumper. Both sides are done. Now we jump onto the top. Using the door upholstery remover, we'll take out one clip which is right besides the headlight. A little ahead, take out another clip. Then in the middle there are two 10mm screws that needs to be taken out. And then take out the final two clips from the other side. Once all the clips and screws are taken out, we were trying to pull down the front bumper completely but were not able to. Then we noticed towards the engine side there's actually a tab that needs to be pushed. Using a screwdriver, we pushed the tab and there the bumper loses its grip. The same we did on the other side. And there we were able to pull down the front bumper completely. This car has fog lights, so we'll have to take out the plugs for that. This one is the right side. On the other side, the harness is attached with a clip, so make sure you take out the clip first. And then take out the plug for the fog light. Bam shazam, with that we are done taking out the front bumper completely. Now, if this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, we will catch you in the next video.